Welcome to day one of your English journey. Let me ask you this. Have you ever been in a moment where someone smiled at you and said, "Tell me about yourself," and suddenly your brain just stopped? Maybe your English wasn't ready, maybe you got nervous, maybe you just didn't know where to begin. Well, today that changes because in just a few minutes you'll know exactly how to introduce yourself in English clearly, confidently, and naturally. This is the first step in your English speaking journey, and I promise it's easier than you think. So take a deep breath and let's begin. Here's a simple structure we are going to follow. Just 5 parts, that's all you need: your name, your age, where you're from, what you do, something you like to enjoy, or your hobbies. Let's learn each part one by one and then put it all together. Now let's start with your name. You can say, "Hi, my name is Ali," or "I'm Ali," or "Hi, my name is Sarah," or "I'm Sarah." Simple, right? Now say it with your name. Okay. Now let's talk about your age. You can say, "I'm 30 years old," or "I'm 30." Say it with me. "I'm 30 years old." Or you can just say, "I'm 30." If you prefer not to share your age, that's okay. This part is optional. Now let's tell people where you live or where you're from. Here are two examples. I live in Lahore, Pakistan, or "I'm from Lahore." You can be simple or add more details later. Next, talk about what you do. Are you a student, a teacher, a worker, or a parent? Say something like, "I'm a teacher," "I work as a teacher." Both are great. Say it with me. "I am a teacher." So, what's your job? Say it proudly. Your work is important. And finally, share some personal hobbies. Tell them something you like or love. Like, "I like reading books and watching movies." Or you can also say, I enjoy reading," or "I love watching movies." Say what makes you happy. This is your chance to sound more natural and human. Go ahead, try it. "I like reading books and watching movies." Now let's put everything together in one smooth introduction. So, "Hi, my name is Ali. I am 30 years old. I live in Lahore. I am a teacher. I like reading books and watching movies." So let's repeat that slowly. "Hi, my name is Ali. I am 30 years old. I live in Lahore, Pakistan. I am a teacher. I like reading books and watching movies." So it was just an example. So if I were to introduce myself, I would say, "Hi, my name is Arij. I'm 22 years old. I live in Islamabad, Pakistan. I am a student of English literature and I like reading books and watching movies." Now pause the video if you need to and say your full introduction out loud using your own name, age, city, job, and hobby. Okay, you can do this. Write your full self introduction in the comments below or practice saying it out loud 3 times today in front of a mirror or even while walking. You can follow this format given below. Don't worry about being perfect. Practice is how we grow. And guess what? If you've watched this far and said your first English introduction, you've already started winning. Amazing work today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next lesson, day 2, we learn